Do you know what to do if your PS5 won't connect to Wi-Fi? We'll show you how to get back online. The most common reasons your PS5 is not connecting to Wi-Fi are your wireless internet is down, the PlayStation network isn't working, or your PlayStation connection to the server timed out. Here are some things you can try. Double-check your Wi-Fi network and password. You can also try running a network connection test on your console to help find the problem. To do this, go to Settings, select Network, and select Connection Status, Test Internet Connection. If your internet connection seems to be fine, try physically moving your console closer to the router. When in doubt, restart your PlayStation. And if that doesn't solve the problem, restart your router and modem too. If none of that seems to help, your last resort is to factory reset your PS5. This will delete game files, so be sure to back up those files using PlayStation Plus cloud storage or an external drive. To do a factory reset, open Settings, select System, System Software, Reset Options, reset your console, and select Reset. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.